Sorry if the camera's shaking, guys. It's just the snow is going in the exact same direction that I'm trying to put the camera in, so it's super hard. So I keep on having snow going in my eyes. Because there's a mini blizzard currently going on in Kansas City, Missouri. I'm so cold. I was just taking pictures of that DPU behind this train, and then out of nowhere, this guy just pops out of nowhere from over there, and I'm like, dang, son, that'd make a good YouTube video. Oh, it's so cold. Okay, the snow's lit up for a minute. Let me see if I can position you guys on the actual tripod. Sorry. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Sorry, guys. You're gonna have to deal with the shakiness. I tried. I hope y'all know this. This must be what that DPU's waited for. But this is what I have to do for rail fanning. Refocus on the train quick. There we go. Just so that you all can get an idea of what I'm going to deal with. That's a piece of wood right there going mad. Type of wind I'm having to deal with to record this train. Oh my god, it's so cold. Can you please end? I've never said this before, but this train is too damn long. Oh, DPU, thank goodness. It's a Jiva.